Okay, we're going to kick this video off with what we're going to do. We're going to do a bit of a outback or central New South Wales. Well, no, northern central New South Wales. Anyway, so we're going to head out that way. Apparently there's a couple of good pubs out there, so I reckon we might have to check a couple of those out. What do you reckon? Yeah. I reckon. All right, so where are we going to kick this off at, Dale? Where are we?
Bathurst.
Bathurst. And what do you do? What do you do at Bathurst?
Do a lap of the Mount Panorama.
Mount Panorama.
Panorama.
All
what
right.
is it?
Mount Panorama.
Oh, right.
All right. So, all right. Let's go get on the starting grid. Let's do a lap. Nothing coming.
You see all the numbers on the road.
Yeah, there we go. We do it at the start. We'll get at the start. We're on pole position.
Yeah, we're on number 1.
Panorama in the old 79 series.
We won.
Yeah, I don't know about that, but anyway. Oh, what, you can't come to Bathurst and not do it. Do the hot lap. I've just done a hot lap of Mount Panorama. Now we just come into the museum. What do you call it? The Mount Panorama Museum. Check out some of these oldies. The old Cooper S. And that used to build around there. And check out these here. The old 2-door Falcons. Check it out. These were John Goss's and Kevin Bartlett's. Wow. They're a good looking car, aren't they? Well, there's one of Lowney's old cars when he switched over to Ford from Holden. And then you got Larry Perkins, a couple of his cars. Old HT Monaro, driven by Brocky. I think that's one of the first cars he drove around Bathurst, or raced. And you got the old VK Commodore of his as well, next to it. Oh, there you go, the old GDHO. This is Moffat's one, I think. Oh, Alan Moffat's one that back in the back in when 1977. Yeah, a few old XU1s. Yeah, the old 34s. There you go, another famous bite. This is the bite that Wayne Gardner won the 87 World 500cc Championship on. Hey, check out this one. Old HK Monaro 327 Chevy. Could be worth a few bucks nowadays, these old girls.
Yeah.
Alright, so tomorrow morning, head north tomorrow morning, so that's our lap done. That's Bathurst. Let's find some of these iconic pubs, or pub out the back of New South Wales somewhere. Righto, see you at the pub with a beer. Check this place out.
Bogan Gate.
Bogan Gate on the Bogan Way. Now, you got to say, it's a little bit appropriate for us. I know we're a bit bogan, aren't we, I suppose? Not too upmarket. But well, I used to have the mullet back in the day, but instead of having it on the back, now it's on the front.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so yeah, well, I'd love to go and have it. The pub's right across the road there. Let's pick you just over there to go Bogan Gate Hotel. But it's not open. It's a bit early, so it'd be great to have a beer over there. I think that'd be really cool. Anyway, we're at Bogan Gate, of course, so we're going to head over that road over there, which is Bogan Way. And we're going to make our way.
Sounds very appropriate.
It does, doesn't it? So I reckon it suits us a bit. So you got to, how can we not come here? All right, well, we're going to head up there and make our way to Tottenham.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we'll check that place. Yeah. Well, hopefully the pub's open then. We'll be able to have a quick beer there, eh?
Okay.
What do you reckon?
All
right, let's roll. Oh yeah, this place, the Rabbit Trap Hotel at Albert. Show you one of the locals here. Oh, Keith. Hey, Keith. How you going, mate? Hey. What a great little place. It's, where are we? On the Bogan Way. Where are we? Not far from Tottenham, in between Nyngan and the Bogan Gate, I think it is. Yeah? Is that right?
I think so.
Oh, we'll run with that anyway.
I don't know, there's a sign over the road there.
Oh, look it up on the map anyway. The Rabbit Trap Hotel, Albert, New South Wales, central New South Wales. Nice cold beer. As yours going, you got the old lemon lime beer that's happening there.
Yeah, too early for me.
But I'll take you aside a second, just give you a bit of a look in there. All right. One of these little outback pubs you can't go past, eh? Alright, you're lucky enough, some more country cod. Oh, look at a bird flying around in here. Apparently pulled that big fella out of the Bogan River. Not sure where the pork had come from. Anyway, beer's good. We just left Nyngan, just spent the night there last night, a little camp just out of town on the riverbanks there. Got a bad little spot, eh, right?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it's through the yabby pots here, but yeah, no good there. So we just nicked into town, the township itself this morning. It's got some bit of fuel, got a coffee, not bad, eh? Good coffee too.
Yeah, very nice coffee.
Yeah, you went the iced coffee, fully loaded too, I see, with all the ice cream and cream on it.
Yeah, well.
That was breakfast. And right next to
lunch.
Yeah, right next to the coffee shop there was the old Bogan statue. So it looks a bit like me, I think. The only difference was he was holding the fish. I don't get to do that very often.
No, you don't.
Alright, so we're back on the road again. We're heading towards Burke. So I'm not sure if we're going to stay there tonight. We'll just go and check it out and see what time of the day it is and what we reckon when we get there. So from Burke, we're going to head across the Lightning Ridge. So anyway, make our way there. Have a look at it and we'll
see how we go.
See how we go.
Easter.
Yeah, well, that's coming up shortly too.
Good Friday's in 2 days' time,
yeah,
so
we'll be parked up somewhere for that.
Yeah,
so. Anyway, we'll get to Burke and start with and we'll see what happens there. Who knows? We stay there, we don't. I don't know. That's a good thing about being on the road without plans. We haven't got a plan really.
No, we don't.
Right, let's make a mile, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Righto. I just pulled up in Burke. I'm standing on an old wharf here. That's the Darling River. Doesn't look like it's flowing real well. She's a bit greenish, but I know you probably can't see it, but there's a heap of fish swimming down down around there. Not some decent size too, I think, mate. I think they'd be all carp, I reckon. So, I don't know. Probably wouldn't be able to catch a carp anyway, you know. Alright, the old mate's over here in the shed over here. I was taking past that in a sec. There's an old, an old engine back in about 1920 or something. He's got pumping away. He's doing a bit of a tune-up on it, I think. So, old mate looks to me as old as the motor. Anyway, one of the back, the old Vix's in the car waiting for us. So I'll go and go take past this old engine up and have a look at that.
Aye.
1923?
Yeah, 100-year-old now.
Right, oh, there we go. Alright, got the old Crosby Brothers stationary motors. Here's what, diesel and oil they run on, are they, Don?
Aye.
Diesel and oil they run on?
Supposed to run on crude oil.
Oh, they're crude oil, there you go.
It runs on diesel now.
Usually using to run what, generators and a bit of power and factory sort of stuff.
Yeah.
And what's that flywheel weigh about 6 tonne apparently, is it? That flywheel's about 6 tonne?
Yeah.
There you go, check it out. Oh mate, Don over here, he looks after him. Hey.
Took some putting together.
Sorry?
It took some putting together.
Oh, I bet it does. So how long have you been in Burke here, Don?
Oh, only come out of the gate. I'm a carpenter builder.
Oh, right, eh?
I was.
Yeah? So now you fix these things up.
No, I know. Well, I took this on.
Good little hobby.
It was a challenge. Because I got it going.
Yeah, good on you, mate. Well, there you go. Couple of old motors here on the Burke at the old wharf here.
Aye.
A couple of old motors at the wharf here. All right, Don, thanks for that, mate.
You're welcome.
I'll let you enjoy your lunch. All right, we just come through Burke. We were thinking about staying there, but it's a little bit early, so I'm going to push on for another 100 k's. A little place down first. Got a good little camp on the river down there, so I'll go and check that out. But as you would have seen, caught up with my old mate Doug. At the,
His best friend.
I only just met him. Yeah, what a nice old guy though. He, I don't know, he's been working on those old engines there, but he's good to talk to. He just loved it. So anyway, it's good to talk to someone of an interest with a passion or something like that. Anyway, that's all good. I'll tell you another thing, how quickly the countryside changes, eh? Only a couple of days ago, we were in the Blue Mountains, and it was green, hilly.
Freezing cold.
Yeah, freezing cold. Now, just swinging around, I don't know if looking out in front of us now. So, we've gone from hilly, green to flat, dry. But they've had a bit of rain out this way. It must have been a few weeks ago or something, because it's just a bit of back a little bit further. There was a lot of water laying on the side of the road out there, but anyway, and a lot of repairs to the roads at the moment too, isn't it? A lot of road work.
There's rock over there, way in the distance.
You reckon that's what it is? We haven't gone that far, have we? We took a wrong turn somewhere.
I don't know.
Anyway, like I said, we're just going to push through to another 100 k's to another camp spot. That'll do us for tonight, and especially got a little river there, so we'll have a look when we get there. All right, well, by the time we get there, we'll definitely a beer o'clock, so I'll be keen to crack a Great Northern. Get a bit thirsty at the moment already, so but I'm driving, doing the right thing. Righto, let's head to camp.
Yep.
Okay, we just camped up at the Brewarrina, I think it's called, campground just outside of the township of Brewarrina, would you believe? You know, it's a campground here on the river, the Barwon River, which is actually the top end of the Darling. And yeah, we just been over there. That's where we camped up in the little campground over there. So yeah, not a bad spot. Got toilets and even got a gym set up where you can do pump yourself up. Oh, pump yourself up a bit with the iron or whatever you do. Anyway, it's just amazing how much carp is in here. I can't believe it with the river system up here. Oh, it's going to die, this thing. Jeez. Just down there, they're just jumping everywhere, and in a heap of dead ones on the ground over there, just a bit on the nose, because obviously people have been catching them and just thrown up on the bank there, but I can't believe how much carp's in here. I just all along here, swimming along the edge, and I put the drone up before and tried to get a couple on the drone, so you can just sort of see it. It's just unreal. So just how much they've infiltrated our river systems up this way, I suppose. Anyway, obviously that time of the day, beer o'clock. Met a couple of locals at the campground there, so had a bit of a chat, see where they're all from. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. The Bogan River, top end of the Darling, full of carp. Alrighty. Go and do a bit of chitter chatter and a bit of socialising.
Alright, come on, dear.
Well, I thought, like I said before, got the gym here, so I thought I'd give this a bit of a crack and just, get the gun happening a bit. So, oh, check this out. You imagine how strong I must be lifting my own body weight.
Yeah.
Oh,
be careful you don't
do
do damage.
I'm getting a bit thirsty doing this.
Here, I think you need this.
Oh, hang on. Oh, that's better.
Water's no good.
Look at that. Hey, great Northern, builds your strength. See? Now this is my kind of gym. Hey? Well, that's enough of that. Alright. Righto, dear, you're on a cross trainer here. Let's get the action going. Tighten those butt cheeks up. That's it. Squeeze them. Go, faster, faster.
Well, I don't know really how to work it.
Well, it's not that complicated. You just do what you're doing, but faster.
Shut up. One leg wants to go one way and one wants to go the other.
Well, that's the idea of it, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe you might need to try something else. Yeah, try one of these over here.
Oh, now I can't get off.
At least you can sit down for this one. Come on, pump it. That's it.
I am.
Come on, let's see you can do it. Gee, that sounded a bit wet.
How can you? Oh, you're disgusting. How can you?
What?
How can I work out when you're making all these noises?
That wasn't me making the noises, it was you.
Was it not?
Tell you what, you go one more. Ready, go. Well, I'm glad you saved under your arms.
Oh shit, I probably forgot about it.
Oh, the Easter time. It's probably got to be about the worst time of the year, I reckon, for people like us travelling around, getting into places, because obviously it's so busy, and well, we don't know where we're going to be much ahead to try and book something like that, so just got to wing it. Anyway, we're in Lightning Ridge at Easter. So I tried to get into a caravan park first up, but I just totally booked out. And one of the ladies in there said, try LORNE Station, which is where we're at now. It's only 2 or 3 minutes out of town, and it's actually an old sheep station, and you can camp here. Just to show you, have a look around here. Look, we're on an unpowered side out the back here, and you see there's plenty of room. You just find a spot like we have here, set yourself up, plenty of space. You're not sort of locked together like Cole's car park at a caravan park. And what's it, $10 per person per night, so $20 for me and the misso, as against like I don't know what they're charging in town now. I think it's $50-60 a night in there at the moment, so I know where I'd much rather be. And it's got powered sites up there. If you're up the other end up there, you've got powered sites up there, toilet block, a bit old, but they're all clean, nice and tidy, rubbish bins, plenty of water taps up there as well, so we can get water, no dramas. And Jerry and Ken The caretaker's here, great couple. She's a bit of a card, old Jerry, I tell you. You feel like her. But don't expect to have big grassy sides here. We are in Lightning Ridge, don't forget. And excuse me. And when you are setting up in one of these sort of places, just be mindful of the wind, because especially being a bit busy, a bit of cars going back and forth, which way the dust is going to blow. So try and stay upwind of that. Anyway, got here day before yesterday. So we had a bit of a kickback day yesterday, and today we're going to have a bit of a look around because there's a lot of stuff going on in town at the moment. It's Easter, so we've got a lot of festivities, a lot of stuff happening there, markets and stalls and I don't know whatever else. We're going to do, we booked in for a tour this morning at the Chamber of the Black Hand. So it's just in town here, so a little bit of an underground thing. The guy there, he's done a heap of carvings and sculptures underground with a butter knife of all things, and apparently it's supposed to be pretty good. So we're going to check that out first up this morning, and then we'll head downtown and have a look what's happening down there. Alrighty, so that's the plan for today, in the next couple of days anyway. So we'll go and check out the Lightning Ridge area. Alright, let's go and have a look at it. Here we are, Chambers of the Black Hand, all kitted up, got the...
Oh!
It sounds a bit hollow in there.
Shut up!
Alright, just wait for old mate to get organised and we're going to go underground. Take underground again.
Yeah.
We're going back to work.
Yeah.
Alright, let's wait for the caller. Ding ding. How you going there, dearie? Alright?
All good. More bloody stairs.
Everything's got stairs. Oh, just at the entrance, at the start of the underground, you can see all the carvings in the wall. Alright, we'll wander through and have a bit more of a look.
It does. Oh God.
Anyway, that's Hercules, apparently. Carving of them, and then all across the other side here, we've got, who was this one? Atlas, I think she said.
I don't know, but it took...
What's it? 10 hours.
10 hours to carve that one out.
I think I probably need a bigger leaf than that.
Oh, in your dreams. God almighty.
Yeah, let's have a bit of a squeeze and pan around. Pretty big. I don't know how well it shows up on the camera here, but it's amazing actually the work that's gone into some of this stuff. It's all just done with a butter knife, like I said earlier. Little marlin there. Awesome. Oh, keep wandering through. Chambers of the Black Hand done. Just come out of there, that's where you go underground to see. And yeah, what a great tour. Hey, what do you reckon of that, dear?
Yeah, very good.
No?
Yeah.
Out the spin around.
Excellent.
That was pretty amazing. That was a lot of talent, you got to say, with what he's done down there,
Oh,
right?
geez,
It's just like a little maze, those little tunnels and stuff going everywhere. But yeah, some of the work.
Definitely well worth it if you're in the area. You've got to come.
Well, it's the number one attraction here in Lightning.
Yeah, I think it was, I don't know, $45 each or something to get in, but it's well worth it.
Didn't take that long to do it, but it's just I don't know, you just sort of walk around and around and around and think, wow, look at that one. Then look around the corner and then, oh wow, look at that one.
Yeah, you're just constantly going, wow,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah, got the wow factor, hasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's the old chambers of the Black Hand done, so we might cruise into town now and have a look what's happening in there.
See what's,
See what's going on.
off in there.
Alrighty, let's go and have a look. Really going off Lightning Ridge today, it's all happening. Downtown Lightning Ridge, got the egg and spoon races happening behind us. Over the back over there, we'll walk one down in a second, have a look at the, got to fill a 44 gallons run up with dirt, have a race with that. Anyway, that's downtown Lightning Ridge at the moment, the markets.
Too many people.
Big crowd?
I'm not used to crowds.
Alright, let's go and have a look what's happening down here. Okay, we're just going to do a couple of drive circuits they have in here in Lightning Ridge. They map them out with car doors. So went to the info centre. We're going to do the green car door tour. So you can see over there, just swinging over there, don't you see that? Got these green doors, doors that mark these tours. So you know, that's the green door one.
Number one.
Huh?
Number one.
Number one, yeah. So there's only about 4 of them, as you can see here. It's got blue, red, yellow and green. So we're going to do this one. Alright, let's go and have a look what's out the green door tour.
Alright, let's go.
Right. Just driving around, having a look around here, you got bloody holes everywhere, look. Everywhere you go is a hole. Someone trying to seek their fortune. Something more over here. You have to watch where you're walking. Yeah, another one. Well, that's where it all happens. Come find your fortune. Alright, the beer can house. Lightning Ridge, built 1977. Obviously built out of beer cans. There's something different. Alright, let's go and have a look inside. Nice round window. Bit like play school, isn't it? Got a round window, square window. Oh, there you go, look at that. Beer can house. Oh, how about the old tin ones? The old tin cans. I don't know if you got the metal one, aluminium ones up there. Looks like they're VB cans. But look at a bit of green on them. Ah, some nice decorative windows. Very creative. Whoever built this. Oh yeah, definitely VB. Yep. Yeah, I haven't got the fridge here still. Oh, look at that, you're not going to believe it. Hey, how lucky am I? Oh, there you go, the beer can house. Alrighty. Yeah, you certainly see some different sort of stuff out of these sort of places. A bit like Coober Pedy, there's some bit of unusual people living there with what is. Anyway, there you go, another little, someone's little lease out here. Obviously they work it. Put a few bits and pieces up here to, I don't know, make it a bit different, I guess. I think it's more to scare people off, I think. Well, there you have it. There you go. Yeah, the Ridge Castle. All these quirky little buildings we're finding around here in Lightning Ridge. Not sure what the story behind it all is, but anyway, didn't expect to find a castle out here. complete with gargoyles. All right, I've got to say I'm a little bit excited today.
Are you, dear?
Yes, I am. It's a very special day. Anyway, what we're doing, we're heading out to the Gorwin, I think it's called Gorwin Opal Fields. Now, out there, there's we're doing a little pub crawl out there. There's 3 pubs out there. The Club in the Scrub. What's that one? The
Sheepyard Inn.
And GLENGARRY HILTON.
Yeah.
I think it's called, yeah. So anyway, we're heading out there, we're going to have some lunch out of one of them. A couple of beers at each, I suppose. I suppose you got it, don't you?
Definitely.
Got a pub, you can't not have a beer.
Yeah.
And yeah, they're right. But it's supposed to be a bit quirky, a bit of fun.
Lot of old ruins,
yeah.
and a lot of old machinery, and
yeah, it should be good. A bit of old trucks and cars, just stuff.
yeah.
All right, I can taste it already.
God.
All right, let's get out there and.
Problem.
Yeah, I know who the problem is. Anyway, all right, let's get out there and have a look at them. Oh yeah, first pub, Club in the Scrub. So Easter Sunday, how busy is it? Check this out, this is the car park. Wow, quick spin around, that's what's happening inside there. There we are. Let's go on the outside and check it out, eh?
Yeah.
Club in the Scrub. Oh, check it out, it's pretty busy in here. Hey, check out the pool table. He's like that the beer garden at the bar. What a ripper.
Orange somewhere. Orange. Yeah, which one? Green, lemon, orange.
What a cracker. So I check out the Club in the Scrub. It's going off. It's just absolutely packed here, isn't it?
It is.
We've got the Abbey races starting shortly, so I don't know what's going to go there. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
You can't move.
It's just packed. Check it out. Oh, what do you reckon? This is what you do on an Easter Sunday.
Yeah.
go to a Club in a Scrub.
Watch the yabby races.
Yeah, cool. Look at this. It's packed here. I don't know. Easter weekend, that's what you do. Yeah, well, it's good, eh?
It is.
There's a cracker building inside, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
There's that pool table.
Yeah.
What a beauty. Well, let's kick back and enjoy the entertainment. This is good, eh? I'll just got ready for the yabby races to start. Got a few you're back in here, Dale. Got Jack, Rocket, Daisy, Cheese, Yabba Dabba Doo, Little Nipper, Indy Mite, Ruby, Bella and Claus. What's the money on, dear?
Oh, I gotta go.
Yeah? What do you reckon? What are you going for?
I might go Yabba Dabba Doo.
Yabba Dabba Doo? Alright, I might go, I'm going to go Rocket. I'll guess to go. We'll see how we go. Right, another couple of minutes already to be up and running. Right, $5 for number 2. They're ready to jump. Ready to go. We've got a green light. Might be a doping scandal going on here. They're racing, they're off. We'll do a slow start. Where's number 2? Oh, who's up front? He's going back on the big fella. Where's number 2? There's number 2. Look, there it is.
Which one's this one?
Number 1. That number 2 is the one behind you, I think. Go! Come on, go! Oh, come on, go! Oh! Pipped at the post!
Number 1.
Have a look at number 2 finish.
Yeah.
Right, that's there, we're just off it. Come a second.
Number 1.
Oh no, there's this number 2, pipped at the post. Can't believe it. Well, That's number 1 pup down. Club in the scrub.
2 to go.
2 to go. What a cracker though, eh? Plenty of people there, like we said, as you probably would have seen. I missed out in the Yabby race. Come a close second. A bit disappointed with that. Yeah, bit of lunch there, a couple of beers, so we'll go and check out the next one.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, let's go. So it's good to see this, even in the middle of nowhere. We still remember people that fought for our country. Wow. Shows a lot of respect, doesn't it? Yeah. Something to think about. All right, just rocked up to the Sheepyard Inn. A few punters in there already. Check out the gear laying around here. These old cars. And what's really special here, I'll just swing you around. Have a look at this, the old FJ55. That's what we had one of those when we first travelled Australia back in our 20s. Look at that, past next to ours. Now 79 now. God, I can't believe we spent 2 years in one of those things, travelling around with the kids. No air conditioning, nothing. What a ripper.
Alright, let's go.
Have a look at some of this other gear here. You got a chopped panel van. Alright, I'm thinking for a beer here. Let's go. You know, deep old trucks out here too. This is the Sheepyard still. They've got a little dumpy, mini dumpy. Wow. This stuff used out here back in the day, I suppose. And yeah, head back to the pub, I suppose, and really due for another one, another coldie. All this old stuff laying around. Oh, could be an old stuff.
Shut up. Just check out the fireplace.
Oh, I don't get there yet. Sick of everything else out yet. Must be a thing for the pubs out here. These wood pool tables. Check them out. What beauties. This one's at the Sheepyard. There you go. There's Sheepyard.
The bra tree.
Oh, we'll go and check that out in a minute. Oh, Sheepyard. What do you reckon, dear?
Yeah, it's good.
Cracker, right?
Yeah.
Oh, not quite as busy as the last one. Yeah. Beer's cold. Oh, look at the dust. They've got the old bra tree here. Look at this. Oh, a couple of itty bitties. A couple of boulder holders there. I reckon, do you want to throw one of yours up there?
No.
Hey, I don't want to? No. Right, here we go, number 3. Pub number 3, the GLENGARRY HILTON. There you have it, there it is. Looks like she's going off here as well. A few people already in there. Oh, must be since later in the day.
Yeah.
So, alright, let's go and check this one out, eh?
Yeah.
Going off, look at it. Three pub crawl.
It was good.
I don't know, what was your favourite one? Do you have a favourite or not?
No, not really. I like them all.
Yeah, they all have something a bit different, isn't it?
Just love the how they're structured.
Yeah, it's that
like
old
rusted corrugated tin sheds.
They started off with I reckon 4 poles on the roof and they just added on to it.
Yeah.
Just over the years, yeah.
Definitely.
These have been unusual, eh? I'm in the passenger seat, so I can have a beer. Hey, how good's that? Don't often see this, do we?
Yeah.
So I got doing the old responsible thing, let the old misso drive, because I've obviously had a couple of beers while we've been touring around. But yeah, it's been a good day, eh? Well, you've got to do it. So yeah, it's been a good day, what a great day. So if you're ever up out of up in Lightning Ridgeway, put it on the list to do the old pub crawl.
3 pubs in the scrub.
Yeah, pubs in the scrub, they call it. Yeah, just south a little bit of Lightning Ridge, about 60 km south. So you can actually camp out here too if you wanted to. We've got each of those pubs, you can camp out the back. So that way you can have a few and nothing about driving anywhere. So we're heading back into the Lightning Ridge now, so that's just about Lightning Ridge pub crawl thing done, eh?
Yeah.
So, you know, we might sign this video off here. This one's probably going to be a wrap for this one, eh?
I think so.
So, anyway, hope you enjoyed it. So, a couple of iconic pubs on the way along the Darling and Lightning Ridge area. I like the Lightning Ridge. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Grab a can and, I don't know, find your own pub crawl. Alright, let's see you on the next one.